Everybody, Grand Casino now has Railroad Riches. Both locations just got installed this week. This is a game, if you watch Vegas Matt on YouTube, it's one of their favorites. I played a little bit on another machine. It went well. This is a great fun game. The graphics are amazing, lots of different features. The line pays are pretty decent. Definitely gotta come check this out. We triggered the bonus. Got the 8 free games. Let's hopefully it plays good. Money bag. Yes! I think that's best. Oh my god, that might be huge. That might be huge. Well, it's a big win according to the screen. Come on, one more. What is that? 44, and we're on 2-cent D now, so that's an $80 hit. First spin. Another money bag. Oh. 2 more spins. Money bags again. 9s. Alright, we need the dollar amount so we can get the hold and spin. Oh, jacks. Yeah, that was a nice win. We'll take it.